Hello, this is Rahul. Welcome to my channel Langlet Solutions. In this video, we'll be learning vocabulary with the help of a short story. In fact, it is not a short story, it is a fable. So, what is a fable? So, fable is a kind of short story where animals are used as the characters, and at the end of the story, there will be a moral provided to you. So, the name of the fable or the name of the short story is The Tortoise and the Eagle. So, what is a tortoise? So, tortoise is like more like a turtle that we call kachua in Hindi. So the difference between tortoise and turtle is that tortoise can survive even on land, whereas turtle can only survive under or in water. And eagle is something that we call chil in Hindi. Please note that our focus here is on developing listening skills and developing vocabulary along with the short story that we will be looking at. For ease of understanding, I have also included the Hindi meanings of those words that we will be looking at. So, without wasting much time, let's dive into the short story. A tortoise, discontented with his lowly life and envious of the birds he saw disporting themselves in the air, begged an eagle to teach him to fly. So, the short story is about two people, two characters here. Of course, the animals are the characters, but they have given voice, they have been personified, and that's what a short story does, especially the fables. So, a tortoise is discontented with his life, his lowly life. A lowly life is a life that is not very standard, that is not very good life. So, the tortoise was discontented with his lowly life, yeah, and it means that he was not satisfied with the kind of life that he was living. And he was discontented with his life, and he was envious of the birds because he was not able to fly, and the birds could fly, and he wanted to fly like those birds. And he saw the birds disporting, means they were enjoying, they were playing themselves freely, and he was not able to do that. That's why he was envious of those birds. Envious means jalan hona, and disporting means khelna kodna. So he saw them disporting themselves in the air. The birds fly in the air, and he was living on the land. As I said, that tortoise is somebody who can survive on land, but he cannot fly like the birds. So he saw them, and he felt discontent with his life. He said that I am not able to fly like them, and he started feeling jealousy for the birds because they could fly, and he saw them disporting themselves in the air. So he begged an eagle to teach him to fly. So he goes and begs a chill, and he asks him that, will you be teaching flying to me? So he's asking him a favor that, please teach me how to fly. So in reality, he did not know that he is a tortoise, and he can only survive on land, and he does not have the capacity to fly like the birds. The eagle protested against his idea of learning how to fly like those birds, because the eagle knows that in reality the tortoise is naturally built like those birds. He does not have those wings, but the tortoise pressed him with entreaties. So what does he do? The tortoise is pressing him, or he is pressurizing him. He is insisting him that, if you teach me how to fly, I will be giving you some treasure, I will be giving you something in return, a kind of bribe or rishwat. So he is promising him of treasure, and at last the eagle consented. He thought that he agrees. Consent means like मान जाना या राजी होना, या like giving somebody your permission to do something. So he consented to do the best he could, and the eagle decides that I will be trying at least my best to teach him how to fly. So he took the tortoise up into the air. So what does the eagle do? He goes and he takes the tortoise up into the air, and he climbs like a mountain kind of thing, and he takes the tortoise with him, and he launches him forth. And as soon as they reach on the top of the mountain, he launches him forth, means he is throwing him. Launching means emerging or starting something, but in this context, like, he throws him away, because he wants to learn how to fly. And the eagles, like, he believes that if I throw him into the air, he will be flying, at least he will try. But the poor tortoise, instead of flying, he fell straight down and was pieces dashed to pieces on a rock below. So what does the tortoise do when he is thrown into the wind? he does not fly because naturally he is not gifted with those wings. Naturally he is not able to, it is not in his capacity. So he is not able to fly. And what happens here eventually is that he fell straight down and was dashed to the two pieces on a rock below. So he is crushed. He is crushed and he is जोर से वो टकराता है when he falls down. So let's see what happens further. The tortoise had been so blinded by his great desire to fly that he had refused to hear any words of caution. So the tortoise had been so blinded. So blind means andha, and he was very much blinded by his great desire. He was blinded. So he was blinded मतलब he was वो अंधा हो गया था कि anyhow I should be learning how to fly and I should be able to enjoy nature as much as those birds. I should be able to fly. So he was blinded by his great desire to fly like those birds, and वो अंधा हो गया था कि उसको समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि I am not gifted with this, or this is beyond my capacity or something. So he does not understand that the tortoise had been so blinded by his great desire to fly that he had refused to hear any words of caution. So caution means saudhanda. The eagle tried to put some sense into him. The eagle tried to make him cautious about the dangers or the consequences that he might have to face when he is trying to fly like those birds, because it is beyond his capacity. But as the tortoise was blinded by his great desire to fly, he had refused to hear any words of caution, and he did not pay attention to the dangers that he might have to face. He had not stopped for a moment to think whether it was possible or wise or safe. So the tortoise did not stop. He did not even think twice before acting. So he did not like there is a phrase in English, think before you leap. So like कुछ करने से पहले सोचने ला चाहिए. So like think something where think of the consequences before you act on something. So this is what was missing in the personality of that tortoise, and he was blinded so greatly and he refused to hear any words of caution. Next, he had seen the birds gliding through the air with ease and grace and beauty, and he had thought, if they can do it, so can I. He had seen the birds gliding through the air. So his desire to fly like those birds was uh, coming from his observation that he made when he was looking at those birds, and he saw them gliding through the air. Gliding means like doing, to be able to do something swiftly and naturally or with ease or with comfort. And the birds could immerse into the air, and they could fly with ease and grace and beauty. And he thought that I should also enjoy the kind of happiness or the kind of ecstasy that they are experiencing. So he believes that if they can do it, so can I. So that is a good approach. But in this context, even if you say that if this person can do it, so can I, this is a good thing. This is a positive attitude. But at the end of the day, you should realize that if you are built for doing that thing or not, is it within your capacity or beyond your capacity. That is what we should be thinking about. But the tortoise was not aware of this. But a bird has wings, but a bird has wings built for flight, and the tortoise has a heavy shell built for the ground. A bird has wings, and the tortoise has heavy shell. Heavy shells like something that is the tortoise is covered in, and which is built for the ground only. No amount of wishing or persuasion can change the laws of nature. In short, the short story, what the short story is trying to saying is that no amount of wishing, like even if you desire something, अगर तुम कुछ करना चाहते भी हो, like but it is beyond your capacity, or you're trying to persuade something, you're trying to look after something, you're trying to chase something, आप किसी चीज के पीछे भाग रहे हो, like you're trying to persuade that, but it cannot change the laws of nature. ये तो प्रकृति का नियम नहीं बदल सकता. What nature has not provided cannot be supplied by foolish ambition. जो प्रकृति ने आपको दिया नहीं है, you cannot make it compensated with some foolish ambition. So what nature cannot provide, what nature cannot what nature cannot provide, it cannot be supplied by foolish ambition. That's what the short story is saying, that like the nature has not given the wings. The nature has not gifted the tortoise with wings to fly, so he should not overcompensate or like go into the overconfidence and decide that I should be flying like those birds.